Student, good morning, student. I am Pooja Tiwari from NBGI. Today I am going to explain you your second poem, that is Wind, and second number is Stranger. Student, you have to read yourself just from. You are very clever at poking fun to crushes them all. In this paragraph, in this stanza, poet tells about the wind, how it makes fun at the weaklings. So in this first number stanza, I have just explained you in the previous video that the poet Subramanyam Bharati requested to the wind to be gentle, and he says that look here what you have done just before, and you have scattered all the papers that is kept on the table, and I have just arranged the books in the shelf, and you have scattered the books and throw the books from the shelf, and created a lot of mess there, just carrying and calling for the rain. In this paragraph, in this stanza here, poet says in the subdued tone, and accused many things troubling the weak and fragile person. They are the weak person. They always suffer the hardness of the word, and he says with the example to the wind, and says the wind tears down the doors, rafters, even the entire wooden houses, leaving people stranded to face the hardness. The situation automatically implies that trouble in the life comes as suddenly as the wind, destroying the leaving behind the devastation. In this stanza here, poet wants to say that the wind, whenever it blows violently, it causes a lot of destruction. Just like the wind comes suddenly, and no people can be well prepared for the destruction, and it causes a lot of destruction and devastation. Just like the other problem and struggle and hardships come suddenly in the life of human being, and it never gives the time for the preparation, and it causes a lot of problems in the lives. So here the poet says that whenever wind blows violently, it causes many problems. The situation automatically says that the trouble in life always comes suddenly, just like wind. And in the next number stranger, he wouldn't to friend with us. You have to read it yourself. I just want to explain you here the poet says that the wind is egoistic person. He never accept the request and appeal for be gentle, and the poet says that the actual intention of the wind when it blows very violently, he says that the wind make us want to make us strong. So he say so the actual intention of the wind to build the strong houses, and we have to join the door firmly. We have to be strong. We have to make our body strong, and we have to make our heart strong and steadfast. We have to be so strong so that we may face all the hardships of the life. Whenever we be a strong person, the wind will be our friend also. Here in the example, the wind blows out weak fire. He makes a strong fire roar and flourish. His friendship is good. We praise him every day. In this last stanza, poet actually wants to say that the wind helps the weak, helps the a strong person, and exploits the weak person. For the example here, wind says and examples about the fire. Whenever wind sees that there is a weak fire, he blows very violently and blows out the weak fire, means put off the weak fire. But when the wind sees the roaring fire, whenever it blows violently, it makes the fire more roaring and flourish. So here poet says that to face the violent problem. We have to be violent also. We have to be strong, just like the opponent person. So student, we here the poet says that his friendship is good, and whenever we know how to manage the actual strength of the wind, we can adjust it according to the hardness of the wind. We can use it very well, and it will be helpful and beneficial for the for us. Thank you, student. I will tell you the about the literary devices and the figure of speech in the next video. Thank you.